Good morning, everyone. George here with Retiree Escapades with George and Lynn. Just a brief video on an update on the raised bed garden in Lansford, Pennsylvania, and on the sunflowers too. Let me turn the camera around and we'll pick it up there. Okay, gang, today is June 23rd. It's a Thursday morning, 2022. Just a brief update on how the raised bed garden's doing. Just a recap there, we have some Brussels sprouts planted right there, and some parsley there. And these are some onions, white onions. They're gonna hopefully grow a little better, larger. But noteworthy is the garlic here. It's just so cool how it does its spinny thing at the top. I mean, it's just really cool. Every single one of them. Okay, along with that, we'd like to take a look at the sunflowers, which really are doing quite well. I'm very pleased with them so far. Hopefully we can continue to have them grow large. This is our intent, large and beautiful. We mainly grow them for the beauty and also for the seeds, which I like to feed the squirrels with throughout the winter. But as we're looking in here, we see, oh, there, right there, right in here. Let's see if I can get a good look at it. We have a slug. We have the slug crawling up the stem. I'm gonna try and gently remove the slug. He's slimy. Ew, ew. He's very slimy. But what I'm going to do is relocate the slug. Just kind of down here. It'll take him a long time to get back there. But it is one slimy thing. I really didn't even realize how slimy they can be. A good thing I put my gloves on. Not sure that they'll cause any damage to the sunflower, but I'm going to take a chance on it. So, that's it for today. Check back for more videos and more progress on things. And that's it. Bye.